Most caregivers are women, and a majority of them are in their late 40s and early 50s, the same time frame during which menopause happens for most women. How do they intersect? Mayo Clinic's Dr. Ekta Kapoor and her colleagues wanted to find out.
It can take a toll on their physical health, it can definitely take a toll on their mental health, and the same can be said about menopause symptoms also. They can significantly impact the quality of life.
Menopause symptoms are divided into 3 domains.
You have symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, joint pains, fatigue, and heart palpitations, etc. Then the psychological domain has the mood problems, the anxiety, and the urogenital stuff has vaginal dryness and urinary symptoms.
Dr. Kapoor says 2 findings from the study particularly stood out.
We saw that menopause symptoms across all domains were affected, which was a surprise, number 1. Number 2, when we tried to adjust for stress in their lives and mental health conditions, this association between caregiving and menopause symptom burden still persisted.
She says the research emphasizes the need for better support for caregivers going through menopause and for better education of caregivers and their healthcare professionals regarding treatment options for menopause symptoms.
Midlife women have unique challenges, and these are both in their environment and the way their body is changing, and that just needs to be acknowledged and managed better.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Marty Velasco-Hames.